What's good in YouTube family? It's your boy Keenan 2 Forex and I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. In this video, I'm gonna just talk about shit. So I mainly wanted to touch on the topic that it's you versus yourself. Today I was reading through some shit, I forgot where, but I remember it said something about it's you versus you, and you have to look at yourself through a third person's perspective and realize that you are not your emotions and that you're just experiencing them. I know everyone already fucking knows this and everyone's already overheard this statement a million times, but in trading it actually plays a very big part, because when you're trading in the zone, quote unquote, you're just thinking about the next step you're gonna take so that you don't lose this trade, or you don't lose any money on this trade, or if you can go break even. All of that is emotion. If you're begging for a trade to get into profit because you're in drawdown, but you just decide to close it, that is you closing out of fear. If you're in a winning trade, and you decide to close it, that's out of fear. You understand? It's all out of fear. If a trade is going in your direction, ride the freaking wave. Why would you cut your winning trades? I'm talking to myself, by the way. Why would you close winning trades? Why would you hang on to losing trades? Have a stop loss, right? But if you have a stop loss and you still cut the losing trade, quote unquote losing trade, and it never hits your stop loss, but it ends up going in your direction, you're gonna feel bad. So just let it either hit your stop loss or you take profit. If you know your strategy well, this won't be an issue for you, because you're gonna trust your setup enough, because you know the strategy, right? You have to build confidence and trust in your model. You feel me? In whatever you're trading, you have to build confidence and trust in it that it's going to work out. You have to see it repeat not millions, but you know what I'm saying, just many times, so that it can be ingrained into your head that, okay, I've seen this pattern before, I've seen it play out before. Let me get into this trade. I'm not attached to the stop loss. I'm not attached to the money. I'm not attached to how much percentage I'm about to win or lose. You just have to take it for what it is. And I've actually realized that most of my losing trades come from fear of hitting my stop loss, because I have a pretty good win rate, but that's if I would just hold on to my trades. So this is my problem that I'm working on. So what is your problem? What are you trying to work on? Is it fear in the market? Is it greed? Are you trying to hold for too long? Are you not taking profits when you should be? Are you just saying, oh, it's at $90, let me get it to $100? No. If it's at your take profit, your original take profit, stop moving it. Just take it, because that was your original take profit for a reason. You feel me? And if the trade isn't going in your direction and you're scared it's going to hit your stop loss, don't adjust your stop loss. Don't adjust your stop loss to where you lose a little bit less, because what happens if it goes 2 pips away from your stop loss and then absolutely reverses and smashes your take profit, but you weren't in the trade because you closed early, because you didn't trust your setup, you weren't confident in it. And you have to admit that those type of things in order for you to grow. So I hope this video helps somebody out. I know this this thing that I read earlier, I forgot where the fuck I read it, but this thing where you have to look at yourself from a third person's perspective. Look outside of yourself. Stop being so focused in here. Look outside. You feel me? And that's actually what's gonna help you to level up in your psychology game. Technicals, obviously you have to work on that, but your psychology game, man, it can 100% improve if you just do this one thing. So I hope you found this video valuable. This is mostly for me, just talking to myself, so I'm gonna just upload this to YouTube and whatever. So yeah, have a good day, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.